The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at a YouTube channel's unique channel URL, the importance of it and how to find it. Now, most of us, when we are creating YouTube channels, tend to set up our @handles. We previously used to set custom URLs. And even if we are not uploading videos and just have playlists or are commenting on other people's videos, essentially our viewers, we need to know our unique channel URLs for various reasons. One of them is that at any point when we need to communicate with YouTube about our YouTube channels, we need to give them the unique channel URL because the @handle can be changed. And let's say your YouTube channel was hacked and the hijacker changed the @handle. Well, the @handle that you used to use will no longer point to your YouTube channel, but the unique channel URL always will do. So let's look at my YouTube channel. Here is my @handle. It's very memorable, TLFU. Let's say my YouTube channel is hijacked and the hijacker changes my @handle to something different. Then clicking on this or giving YouTube this piece of information will no longer take them to my YouTube channel. So how do we actually find our YouTube channel's unique channel URL? If you still have access, you'll be able to find it within your YouTube studio. But if you no longer have access to your YouTube channel, the way you find it is by going to your homepage, which is this page here, and looking below your name and other information, you will see what used to be called the About section. In my case, it has blurb about me being a product expert, blah, blah, blah. And then ... more. Clicking on that, and you can scroll down to the bottom of that section and it says Share Channel. And the channel ID, or the option to copy the channel ID, will copy the last 16 characters of this rather random URL to my clipboard. And then I can go add /channel, and I can then paste from my clipboard, refresh the page, and here I am back in my YouTube channel. So this is how to locate the unique channel URL for any YouTube channel. Though I have to point out that I did this with a web browser because it does not work like this with a YouTube app or even the mobile version of a web browser. Thank you for listening and goodbye.